Hello and welcome to this new course. Today, we will teach you how to create a weather station using Arduino. This is Educational Engineering Team. We are a team of skilled engineers seeking to deliver high-quality engineering content including courses, articles, lessons, and online support for all of engineering students from all around the world, under the name of Educational Engineering Team. The team also work as freelancer engineers, helping many students in their graduation projects, give many courses about engineering topics. We are also a board member of the Microsoft.NET Club. We founded Inkbal team, a team that makes workshops and courses with reduced costs to help students understand and develop their skills. We have more than 27 courses and around 10,000 students, with more than 200 reviews here in Udemy. Our courses are related to microcontrollers, Raspberry Pi, Arduino big microcontroller, circuit simulation, circuit design, programming, PLC, and electronics. You can check our courses in udemy.com/user/educational engineering teams. You can also check our website eduengtwd.com/en, as you can see, where we add engineering articles and make special offers on our courses. And in this course, we will teach you how to quickly create a weather station that displays temperature, humidity on LCD screen, and other informations as well. We are sure that you will enjoy this course. If you are an Arduino or microcontroller geek, it will take you no time to create this weather station. We will take you in a step-by-step guide, and you will have no problem at all creating this awesome project. If you have any question, do ask in the Q&A board. We are happy that you saw this introduction. See you inside. Thank you. This is Educational Engineering.